welcome back to my channel. So if it's your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If it's not your first time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment if you have anything to say. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be coloring this hair into this. So guys, as you guys know so much, I like red hair. I love red hair. I adore red. So today I got this hair from Alibaba Express, and I decided, why not make it red? Why not color it red? And mind you, it's my first time to color hair, so if anything goes wrong, please bear with me. So guys, what we're going to be needing for this video will be the first is the bleaching powder. I like the blue. I don't like too much the white, though it's my first time. Then oxidant. Oxidant is 60%. Aluminium foil and a brush to brush the hair. I need a measuring bowl to measure the chemicals. And then also I need this also here to measure. And the mixing bowl with a small mixer. And these are the color. It is fire red. You know I love red. Sorry about the noise. I live beside the road, so sorry about the noise. I think I'll be needing just 2 packets, just 2 of these. So I just decided to get 1 extra. Maybe I need, in case I need more. So, and this is the hair we're going to be using. It is 2 bundles of 18 inches, 1 bundle of 24, and 18-inch closure. So guys, let's start by clearing this place and with the powder and the mixer, the oxidant, and this aside.
You might like the destination, I enjoy the ride. You say you don't like conversation, I know that's a lie. Every time we kiss goodnight, I come alive. Fall asleep to your sweet love that gets me high. We belong together. I'll never trade you for another. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. When trouble comes, you're next to me. We belong together. I like coffee dates at midnight. You like Friday nights at home. I know I drive you crazy. You can't help but make it known. Every time we kiss goodnight, I come alive. Fall asleep to your sweet love that gets me high. We belong together. I'll never trade you for another. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. When trouble comes, you're next to me. We belong together. Sparks and embers fly wherever we were going. Fire and ice, we built our lives on survival. Guiding past the fault lines, we're running, your hand in mine. Freedom, the song we're humming. You can't stop a storm from coming. One look, it all comes rushing. Wolves cry and lightning strikes. Dark sky and thunder rumbling. You can't stop a storm from coming. Holding on to what we built, absolution. East of Eden, running with the wolves to freedom. If you listen, hear the whispers, what the night knows. There's a revolution rising in the shadows. Fire and ice, we hold inside a revival. Guided past the fault lines, we're running, your hand in mine. Freedom, the song we're humming. You can't stop a storm from coming. One look, it all comes rushing. Wolves cry and lightning strikes. Dark sky and thunder rumbling. You can't stop a storm from coming. I'll be your stronghold. I won't let go of you tonight. Into the unknown, we fight for all that we desire. I'll be your stronghold. Oh, and it's winter in your mind. Into the unknown, fire and ice, we've come alive. Past the fault lines, surrendering, your hand in mine. Freedom, the song we're humming. You can't stop the storm from coming. One look, it all comes rushing. Wolves cry and lightning strikes. Dark sky and thunder rumbling. You can't stop a storm from coming. One look, it all comes rushing. Wolves cry and lightning strikes. Dark sky and thunder rumbling. You can't stop a storm from coming.
New light is calling you now. Wide-eyed, every color in bloom. I only wanna wake up with you. I only wanna be with you now. New light, the whole earth in bloom. I fly through the stars to get to you. try a little harder to feel. I only wanna take this moment. I only wanna be with you now. New light, the whole earth in bloom. But I fly through the stars to get to you.
You might like the destination, I enjoy the ride. Say you don't like conversation, I know that's a lie. Every time we kiss goodnight, I come alive. Fall asleep to your sweet love that gets me high. We belong together, I never trade you for another. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. When trouble comes, you're next to me. We belong together. I like coffee dates at midnight. You like Friday nights at home. I know I drive you crazy, you can't help but make it known. Every time we kiss goodnight, I come alive. Fall asleep to your sweet love that gets